In second video, I continue with the question 9 and 10. Both are very important 5-mark question. Listen here. What is the first subdivision for the 9th one? Let M equal to x 2 by 2 matrix x belong to real number except 0 or minus 0. Let star be a matrix multiplication. Determine M is a closed, that is closure axiom. M is closed under star. If so, examine. M is closed. M is a closure axiom satisfied means if we examine what are the property? Commutative property, associative property satisfied the star on M. Similarly, next for the second subdivision, what is it? The same question. M equal to x 2 by 2 matrix. X belongs to real number or except 0. Minus 0 means in real number except 0. Let the star be a what operation? Matrix multiplication. Determine M is closed under star. Examine the existence of identity. Existence of what? Inverse. What we are going to find out for 9th question? We are going to first verify whether M is a closure axiom. After M is closed under star multiplication, star under star, we have to prove that commutative property, associative property, identity, and what? Inverse existence of inverse property. We are going to prove the 4 property. This 9 and 10 very important. First I am going to teach the 9th sum for 5 marks. See exercise 12.1 9th one first subdivision. Already I explain the question for the 9th part first and second subdivision. First subdivision we are going to prove that commutative property as well as associative property. So star, see the question itself given. Star be a matrix multiplication. Determine M is closed under star. If so, examine, verify the commutative property as well as associative property. Satisfy the star on M. What is A? Let A equal to x 2 by 2 matrix belongs to what? M. M is nothing but what? Closed under star. Similarly, B equal to take the 2 by 2 matrix y. That is also belongs to M. X belongs to R minus 0. So A star B. We are multiply A and B. This is the 2 by 2 matrix. First row with the first column. How to multiply matrix multiplication? X into Y, XY, X into Y, XY. Similarly, first row with the first column. First row with the second column. XY, XY. Similarly, the same thing coming. Second row with the first column. XY plus XY. Here also second row with the second column. XY plus XY. So we get the 2XY, 2XY, 2XY. So this is belongs to M. So X comma. If we take X instead of 0 in the X and Y variable except 0. If having a, you substitute either X or Y becomes 0 means the whole term fully vanished. Therefore, X comma Y belongs to R. Minus 0 means except 0. So that real number is suitable for X and Y is except 0. Other than 0, all the values are suitable for the real number. Therefore, X also not equal to 0. Y also not equal to 0. That is the meaning for what? X comma Y belongs to R minus 0 means the way we are giving to the value for the variable X and Y except what? 0. If it becomes 0 means what? The whole value will fully vanished. Therefore, X, that is X comma Y belongs to R minus 0 means nothing but what? X not equal to 0. Y is what? Not equal to 0. Therefore, A also belongs to M. B also belongs to M. This implies A star B also belongs to M. Therefore, take the 2 element in M. That star multiplication also belongs to M. Therefore, closure axiom will be exist. Now see the associative axiom. Associative axiom. So let A equal to X, similarly B equal to Y, C equal to what? Z. Because associative property we need the 3 element A star B star C equal to A star B, B star C. What is A star B? X, Y multiplied with Z star. So we know X already we multiply closure axiom 2XY, 2XY multiplied with Z also. We get what? 2 first row with the first column. 2XYZ, here also 2XYZ. We get what? For 2XYZ, nothing but what? 4XYZ. Similarly, we get all the result we getting what? 4XYZ. Next, A star, B star, C. XY, YY, Z. Because B is taken as YY. C is taken as what? Z. So this is what? YZ become 2YZ. First step we find out 2XY. Similarly, we follow this one. Don't write all the steps. First row with the first column. YZ, add Y multiplied YZ, we get what? 2YZ. Therefore, 2YZ. Next, we multiply first row with the first column 2XYZ. Here also 2XYZ. Totally, we get what? 4XYZ. So, 4XYZ. Similarly, we get all the 2 by 2 matrix. We get the 4XYZ. This also what? Belongs to M. Therefore, LHS from 1 and 2. See, this is 1, this is 2. From 1 and 2. LHS equal to RHS, associative property exists. For commutative axiom or commutative property, we take the two element A and B. What is already we take A equal to the same x, B equal to what, y. Both are what belongs to M. So A star B equal to B star A. We remember A star B is nothing but what xy get what 2xy. Similarly, B star A we also getting 2xy. Therefore, commutative property also exists. What is the second subdivision? We are going to prove that identity as well as what? Inverse. Identity as well as inverse property. Let M equal to the same question. Matrix multiplication. M is what? M is nothing but XX. 2 by 2 matrix. X means suppose that A equal to we take XX. Similarly B equal to YY. C equal to Z. But we need here going to prove that identity as well as existence of inverse property. So what is our identity? A equal to what? A equal to XC. X 2 by 2 matrix belongs to M is an only one element taking. What is the identity element is it? Suppose B equal to take YY. A star B means A equal to XX means B equal to what? We take YY. Similarly here E equal to what? The identity, we need identity element, we take E equal to E belongs to what? 2 by 2 matrix we taken as E belongs to M. What is the property for that one? What is the property? We know what is the identity element. Identity element is multiplied with one element is multiplied with the identity, we get the same answer because 1 plus 0 equal to 0 plus 1. So 0 is the identity, additive identity. Similarly, A star E equal to E star A equal to A. A star E is multiplied with also A. E star A equal to also A. First we take A star E. A star E is what? X E. So equal to what? X multiplied. Identity is multiplied with any element, we get identity only X. So what? We take, see that one. Compare A star E equal to A. We want to find the value of E. So X E equal to what? What is the A element? X 2 by 2 matrix. So first row with the first column. XE we get 2XE. Similarly first 2XE equal to XX. Comparing first element with the first element. 2XE equal to 2 X E equal to X. What is our E equal to what? X cancelled. E equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, what is our identity element? E equal to, instead of E, substitute 1 by 2, 2 by 2 matrix belongs to M. Therefore, 1 by 2 belongs to the real number except 0. Therefore, 1 by 2 is an identity element. Identity axiom or nothing but exist. Identity element exists. Except 0, all the elements suitable for the real number. We get the identity element is 1 by 2. Therefore, identity element exists. Identity axiom satisfied or existed. Next, inverse axiom. What is the identity property? A star E equal to E star A equal to A. For example, 1 plus 0 equal to 0 plus 1 equal to 1 because 0 is the additive identity. Similarly, A star E equal to E star A equal to A. Using this one, we are going to find the comparing first and A star E equal to A, we find the identity element. So we get the identity element is what? 1 by 2 in the 2 by 2 matrix. Next, we are getting the inverse axiom. A equal to XX belongs to M is an one element. What is the inverse of inverse element of A is? That is A inverse equal to X inverse. Again X inverse. So X inverse in the 2 by 2 matrix. What is the property? What is the inverse property? A star A inverse equal to A element is multiplied with the inverse, we get the identity. A star A inverse equal to A inverse star A equal to A. So we take first and second, first and identity element. Comparing, we get the A inverse. A star A inverse equal to E. So X inverse equal to what is the identity element? Just now we find out. What is the identity element? Just now we find 1 by 2 in the 2 by 2 matrix. So 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So similarly the same procedure. First row with the first column, X into X, X inverse, X into X, X inverse. Total how many X into X inverse? We get 2X into X inverse. He get 2 by 2 matrix, we get the 2X into X inverse. Here also X into X inverse. What do we get? 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So first one is compared with the first element. We are find out the inverse element. 2X into X inverse equal to 1 by 2. What is our X inverse? X inverse equal to 1 by 4X. X inverse equal to 1 by 4X. Therefore, A inverse equal to, instead of what is the X inverse value is what? 1 by 4X, substitute in the 2 by 2 matrix. 1 by 4X, 1 by 4X, 1 by 4X belongs to M is an inverse element. Therefore, inverse property also exists. This is the 9th question, very important 5 mark. Now come to the 10th one. Let A be the rational number except 1, Q. Divide by except 1. What is the meaning? Except 1. Define star on A by what is the property? This is very by X star Y equal to X plus Y minus XY. x star y equal to x plus y minus xy. Is star is a binary operation on A? Whether the star is a binary operation A? If so, examine. What are the property we are going to examine? Commutative property, associative property. Satisfied the star on A. We are going to prove the commutative property, associative property. Similarly, second division we are going to prove the identity as well as existence of inverse. What is the A? A equal to take the rational number Q x up to 1, that is Q minus 1. So x plus y equal to x plus y minus xy. So x belongs to A means y also belongs to A. What is the property? What is the condition given? X star y, what is the function on x star y? X plus y minus xy. So here having plus is a binary operation A, minus also a binary operation A. Multiplication also binary operation A. So addition, subtraction, multiplication also binary operation. Remember that one. Therefore, star is a binary operation A. Now we are going to prove the commutative property. What is the commutative property? X belongs to A, Y belongs to A, but X and Y are what? Not equal to 1. The question itself is given. What is A? A is nothing but Q minus 1. In the rational number, X up to 1, all the elements are satisfied for in A. Therefore, X belongs to A, Y belongs to A, but X and Y never what? 1. X is not equal to 1, Y also not equal to 1. Remaining all the values are satisfied in the rational number. See, we remember the commutative property. X star y equal to y star x. X star y equal to y star x. What is the x star y? X plus y minus xy. This is the equation of y star x equal to what? Y plus x minus yx. xy or yx both are same. Similarly, x plus y plus x both are same. Therefore, 1 and 2, what property is satisfied? From 1 and 2, x star y equal to y star x, or never x and y will, x star y not equal to 1. Suppose x star y is not equal to y. If x star y is equal to 1 means what? You substitute instead of x and y, substitute 1, we get the what? X is equal to 1. The contradiction for our condition, x star y is equal to 1 is not possible. Because you substitute, we get all the values are will be cancelled. See that one. If x star y equal to y star x star y is what? Not equal to 1. You substitute x is equal to 1 and y equal to 1. X minus 1 equal to 0. 1 minus y equal to 0. Y equal to 1. Suppose we substitute x is equal to 1, y equal to 1. What happened? X is equal to 1 is substitute, y equal to 1 means the whole value will be vanished. Therefore, this is a contradiction for our condition. X star y is what? X star y equal to 1 is not possible. Therefore, always x star y not equal to 1 for this condition, because x star y equal to x plus y minus xy means if we substitute x is equal to 1, y equal to 1, the value totally vanished. Therefore, x star y not equal to 1. Next, associative property. What is the associative property? Let x belongs to A, y belongs to A, z also belongs to A. 3 element. Associative property, we need 3 element. Here what? X also not equal to 1, y also not equal to 1, z also not equal to 1. X star y star z equal to x star y star z. See the LHS, x star y star z equal to, what is x star y? X plus y minus xy star z. The whole term taken as what? X. The remaining term taken as what? Y. So that's bracket is taken as x. The remaining z is taken as y. What is that one property? Or if having 2 elements means x plus y minus xy. Similarly, this is also what? X plus y. What is our x? X is nothing but what? X plus y minus x plus z. X plus y. This is x plus y minus x into y. See the property. X plus y minus xy. So the whole term, the brackets will be taken as what? X plus z. Y is nothing but what? Z. X plus y minus what? X into y. So multiplied, what we get? X plus y minus xy plus z. Multiplied with z, we get this result. So x plus y plus z minus xy minus yz minus zx plus xyz. This is the equation 1. Similarly, go to the RHS. This is x is taken as what? X. This y star z is what? This is taken as x. This bracket is taken as what? Y. X star y. X star y is what? X plus y minus z. This is x plus y. The whole bracket is taken as what? Y. So x plus y minus what? Xy. So x instead of x, you substitute what? Y star x. So y star is a substitute what? This is what? Y plus z minus yz into x. If you multiply, you get the same result. What do you remember one thing? What is the condition? X star y. X star y is x plus y minus xy. We add the 2 element. Afterwards, what you multiply the 2 element. X plus y minus xy. The same procedure followed here also. So equation 1 and 2. what is the associative property is satisfied. For the second question, come to the 10th sum, second subdivision. What is our second subdivision? Identity. We are going to prove the identity as well as inverse. Let A be the rational number except 1, that is q minus 1 except 1. So define star on A by x star y equal to, what is the function? X star y equal to, this is the important, x star y equal to x plus y minus xy is binary operation on A. If so, examine existence of what? Identity as well as what? Inverse. We are going to verify the identity as well as inverse. What is the element? Let x belongs to q minus 1 is an any one element. We take the element x. That element belongs to the rational number except to 1. Now E equal to, E also what? We take the identity element. E also belongs to q minus 1 is an identity element such that x star E equal to E star x is equal to what? X. X star E equal to, we take this to comparing. We want to find the identity element E. X star E equal to E star x is equal to, we get, if identity is multiplied with x, we get the same x coming. So x star E equal to x, we are going to find the value of E. What is say x star y? X plus y minus xi. Similarly, x star E is what? X plus e minus xe, what? Equal to xa. X star E equal to x plus e minus xe equal to xa. Take x, E is common, 1 minus x. X, that plus x come to that side, we become what? X minus x becomes 0. See here, E, we take E is common, 1 minus x equal to 0. How come 0? Plus x already having, the plus x become that side come to the turn, here getting E minus x. X minus x is equal to 0. That E equal to, what is our E? E equal to 0 by 1 minus x. 0 by any number? 0. Therefore, E equal to 0 belongs to q minus 1 because except 1. The element is 0. Identity is what? Except 1. If we are cutting 1 means identity does not exist. But the element E, identity element is getting what? 0. Therefore, that is belongs to the rational number minus 1. Except 1, we get the identity element. So, it is the identity element. Identity exists. Next, inverse. Let similarly, x is equal to what are the element? What type of element we take? X belongs to q minus 1 be any element. X inverse also the inverse of the element. We take x is one of the element in q means x inverse also take the inverse element. What is x star x inverse equal to? X inverse star x is equal to what? E. X star x inverse equal to x inverse star x is equal to E. So we take first comparing with the first and the element E. We are going to find the x inverse. So x star x inverse equal to E means what is that axiom? A star x star y is for x plus y minus x. Similarly, x plus x inverse minus x into x inverse equal to E. What is the element E? E is nothing but what? 0. Therefore, we take x inverse is common. If we take x inverse is common means it will become what? 1 minus x. Plus x come to this side, we get the minus x. Now x inverse equal to minus x. E is nothing but identity element, we find out. Now x inverse, we take x inverse is common, we get to 1 minus x. Plus x become minus x. Now x inverse is equal to minus x by 1 minus x. But x what? Suppose x become 1 means the value totally changed. So x is not equal to 1. Therefore x inverse equal to minus x by 1 minus x is the inverse element. That inverse element what? X is not, never belongs to 1 because we take the rational number except 1. Therefore, this is the inverse element of this axiom. So what is the inverse element? X inverse equal to minus x by 1 minus x is the inverse element. Therefore, inverse axiom also satisfied or existed. Okay children, 9 students, 9th and 10th sums are important 5 mark question. Go through the 2 questions using the competitive property, associative property, identity and existence. 9 and 10 are very important 5 mark. Go through the sum, take down the notes. Thank you students.